Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for haven't uploaded any videos lately since the first wave of the pandemic. I was kind of depressed and all kind of trouble going on, so I couldn't upload any video even though I went out for a few games in the summer. So finally I come to it and have some courage to make some video this time. Um, and I feel I will have a few more later. But for now, I hope you will enjoy the footage of a short game day that I went. Hope you enjoy it.
He's dead. Got him. Nice, nice.
So this is my
First
first
kill of the
gameplay
season.
coming back from a long break due to the
Head!
lockdown, and as you can see, I got rusty and I couldn't pick up the target as quick as I used to be. So the whole day I didn't do so well. I got killed every time I come out. So this is just a short gameplay.
I see you. Jeez, nice hit. Again, got him. Hit! You got me! That we're gonna go back to where we were. That's where we got mass murder. If we go straight now, we can cut in.
Again, the whole day we've been killed, and this is the footage of the last game of the day. And it's a short battle for us. At this point, I got to the side of the enemy quarter, and here I see a player approach me, but I wasn't sure if his gun is down. Wasn't sure if he's dead. or even if he friendly or enemy. So I wasn't sure. I was rusty, so I didn't take a shot, and I took my time and try to identify him, and then my teammate decided to shoot him, but then he ran into hiding. So now I lost sight of him. But that's a mistake that I make, and I'm gonna pay for it. As you see, he gonna be on my right side of the screen, and then there's an enemy player, his teammate coming approaching on my left side. So I cannot be very aggressive in this fight, um, because if I make any sudden move, the enemy player on the right will see me. So I couldn't do much. You see, I just took out another enemy player, but then he's being medic, and I see the medic. But when I look into the scope, as I've been so rusty, I look into the scope, I can't see him. But in my using my eyesight, I see the medic, but in the scope, I couldn't see him. At this point, I didn't want to move to a better spot, because once I move, the guy on the right will see me. So I took my time, my sweet time, and then the dead player got medic, and looks what happened to me. I should have. I learned my lesson. I should have just move and take my chance and get to a better spot so I can see the medic and to take him out. I paid the price for this. Anyways, thank you for watching, and hopefully I will
Dad!
have the more courage to edit more video for the last year. And there's some quite nice gameplay that I made. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.